Alright, it's January the 12th, a little bit after 9:30, 63 degrees. The girls are out today. It's cloudy, it's supposed to start raining, set in, get cool. We'll have some cold days here. So I want to go into the hive, make sure they got plenty of candy to eat. Don't want them starving if I can help prevent it. I would have liked to have waited till later on today to where I have my best friend with me here to help me out, but I better take this opportunity while there's a lull between the rain. So anyway, we're going to go in, we're going to check, see what kind of situation they're in, whether they got any food at all left out of this candy that I put in here. So I'm going to try to put my glove on here. See a spider I got to kill. Spiders are not allowed in the beehive. I don't know, maybe they'd eat a wax moth, but it looks like that spider upside down the way it's laying. It was turned over, probably clinging to the top. I believe it's dead. I'm playing possum one. Okay, here we go. Let's get the hive tool. I've got my insulation board still around the hive, which I'll leave it on. Let's pop open this one here. This will be over that feeder with the candy in it. Frame that, 2 frames that I took and stapled them together and put some hard wire in it to make them a feeder. I got my smoker going. I really was hoping I wouldn't have to use it that much. Let's see. Let's take a look here and see what they got. Oh, they still got some, and as you can see, they're quite well on it. I think I may leave them with this because it's still quite full, and seeing they're eating on it, I hope that's a good sign that maybe the rest of the honey reserves they got, maybe they haven't gotten into them yet. I don't know. That right there, and I know we're going to get a day up in the 50s here in about a week. It's not really going to drop down real cold except 1 or 2 nights here. So there's a dead bee. Well, thought it was. It took off. Okay. But look like they're doing okay right there. I hate to put any more candy down in there right now. I just squish them because they're working in it pretty good there. So I'm going to see if I can slide this board back on. Try this with one hand. Whoop. Okay. Make sure that board doesn't catch on this lip here. Now, I do need to check a little bit just to see how their reserves, their honey reserves are. See if I can get a gander. Okay. I believe they're eating it. They are. I see the Undertaker bee down in here. Looks like they're grabbing a drone. 2 or 3 of them. Them girls gonna take that drone out. I don't want to lull too much here. Well, that's what's going on. Got a drone they're taking out there. You know, I could put some of their candy here, but right in here's the brood chamber, and it's really not good for them to try to travel too far when they cluster up to try to get food. The ideal place would be over top of them, but I didn't construct my hive with enough space over top to allow for anything other than the bee space that's in there right now. See, between the inner cover and the hive right there, that's enough area for them to crawl back over top of the frames. And then the next one I build, I'm going to try to build with quite a more height between this top of the hive to where I can put my candy over top of the colony during the winter. Because if they still make it through this winter, which is not over yet, but if they make it through this winter, then I'm going to harvest some honey off of them, hopefully. So I definitely want to make sure I still feed them some for the next winter. Alright, girls. They quietened down quite a bit there. Put the lid back on. This lid's a little warped. Sorry about the bad camera today. Didn't want to. And I think they're going to be okay, at least for a week. So I'm not going to put any fondant in there. I'll just wait. Wait for end of this week. We'll see how they're doing again. So main thing is for today is to make sure I come back out here this evening and wrap this installation board around the front of it again. It's helping during the cold spell, but the girls are out and about, taking advantage of this day. And just keep you all posted for whoever's interested in watching this video. See how they do. Make it through this winter with them. Hopefully.